Hey, Jason Wehrli with Wehrli Custom Fab here. We've got our 17 to 19 L5P Duramax Stage 1 High Flow Bundle Kit. So our Stage 1 High Flow Bundle Kit is probably most L5P owners' first upgrade. We are taking the two intercooler pipes that we've been making for several years. These are two very popular upgrades for the L5P, and we bundled them together in one package to save you a little bit of money versus buying them individually. So what we have included in this kit is our 3-inch high flow driver side as well as our 3.5-inch high flow passenger side. At the turbo outlet, we have our high temperature silicone boot. These boots, not only do they have a high temperature internal lining, they also have a wire reinforcement in the center of the boot to aid in lessening your chances of boot failures at the turbo outlet. That's a very important feature for anyone running upgraded turbochargers. From there, it connects to our 3-inch 14-gauge heavy-duty aluminum intercooler pipe. This replaces the factory 2.5-inch intercooler pipe, which is actually a two-piece design that has a boot in the center. So we're eliminating one boot connection and giving you a full 3-inch mandrel bent pipe from turbo to intercooler connection. At the intercooler connection, we do have another silicone boot with stainless T-bolt clamps. Through the intercooler, we go to our passenger side, the cold side intercooler pipe. At the connection to the intercooler, we use a very similar design to OEM with the wire retainer clip design, where you install the retainer clip on the pipe with our double O-ring seal, a healthy amount of lubrication, and that pipe slides onto the intercooler assembly. It's very important to make sure that that pipe is slid on all the way, as the clip needs to set inside of the groove in order to keep that pipe sealed. The factory design here only uses a single lip seal style connection, and with upgraded turbochargers, upgraded performance tuning, you're seeing higher boost levels. We've got a double O-ring seal on our connection at the intercooler. That, connected to a 3.5-inch 14-gauge pipe, comes up to and connects with another silicone boot to the OEM Y-bridge and throttle valve assembly. This pipe does include provisions for the OEM temperature sensor, as this kit can be installed, no tuning required, emissions present vehicle. Like all WCFab products, we have custom powder coating, so you can choose what color you want to powder coat your products, with 35 standard colors to choose from on the website. And for a custom upcharge fee, you can choose from many hundreds of other colors. These products are available direct at WCFab.com as well as through our authorized dealer network. If you've got any questions about these products, feel free to reach out to any of our authorized dealers or direct at WCFab.com. Thanks a lot for watching.